Right now, according to multiple reports, artificial intelligence is learning faster than humans in some tasks across the US, UK, and Europe. But the truth behind this will shock you completely. By 2027, experts say 15 tech trends could flip daily life upside down, including AI mines, smart cities, and quantum leaps. And 3 of these changes will quietly affect you sooner than expected. Most people think the future arrives slowly, but sources suggest it lands suddenly, overnight, without warning. And today, I will reveal what is coming, who is behind it, and why it matters. This story is not science fiction, not hype, and not fear, but realistic storytelling based on trends already moving billions of dollars, shaping governments, and changing how people work, learn, and live globally. So forget long intros and distractions, because what you are about to hear connects phones, cities, robots, and human choices into one unstoppable system. And it already started moving beneath our feet. Let me show you exactly how this happened, and why the year 2027 could feel less like tomorrow, and more like waking up inside a brand new world. Just a few years ago, artificial intelligence felt like a tool, but now it acts more like a partner, writing, designing, planning, and learning at speeds humans cannot match alone. According to industry reports, AI models are now trained on trillions of words, images, and patterns, letting machines spot signals humans miss, from traffic flow to disease research and climate modeling. But here is the first surprise most people miss. AI is not one thing. It is many systems working together, from simple chat tools to complex decision engines guiding factories and power grids. This matters because these systems are no longer locked in labs. They are entering phones, cars, offices, and schools, shaping choices before we even notice they are present. At the same time, global networks are upgrading, with sources suggesting 6G research is already underway, promising speeds so fast that distance nearly disappears during real-time communication. That means video calls without delay, remote work that feels physical, and machines talking to machines instantly, building invisible highways of data across continents. Here comes the second mini surprise. These faster networks do not just help humans, they mainly help machines, allowing AI, robots, and sensors to coordinate in massive numbers. This is how smart cities are forming, with cameras, sensors, and software managing traffic, energy, waste, and safety, often quietly, reportedly already tested in parts of Europe and Asia. To some, this sounds helpful, but to others, it feels unsettling because when systems see everything, questions about privacy, control, and power grow much louder. Now here's where things get really interesting, because these systems do not grow alone. They connect with robotics, automation, and physical machines that move, lift, and act in the real world. Robots are no longer trapped in factories. According to demonstrations, they walk, sort packages, assist surgeries, and help elderly people, learning new tasks through AI guidance. Picture a warehouse where robots talk to each other, adjust plans instantly, and deliver goods faster than any human team, all while managers watch dashboards instead of clipboards. This shift is not about replacing everyone, but it will change jobs, requiring new skills, new roles, and new ways of thinking about work and value. But if you think that's crazy, wait until you hear this, because the next trend hides behind tiny chips and massive math problems most people never see. Quantum computing, according to researchers, uses strange physics to solve problems normal computers cannot, handling calculations that could take current machines thousands of years. Right now, these machines are limited, expensive, and experimental. But sources suggest steady progress, with governments and companies racing to reach practical breakthroughs. Why should you care? Because quantum tools could redesign materials, optimize energy use, and break or rebuild digital security systems we rely on every day. This means today's encryption, the locks protecting messages and data, may not survive tomorrow, forcing a global shift toward quantum-safe security methods. Plot twist: while this sounds far away, preparations are already happening quietly, shaping standards and strategies behind closed doors. And all of this connects to another layer, the Internet of Things, which sounds boring, but actually means billions of everyday objects becoming digital and aware. Your watch, fridge, car, and streetlights can share data, coordinate actions, and respond to changes automatically, forming a living network around cities and homes. This network feeds AI systems, making them smarter, faster, and more accurate, creating a loop where machines improve by watching the world continuously. I'll explain why this loop matters in a moment, but first, consider how blockchain and decentralized systems enter this picture unexpectedly. Blockchain, according to developers, is not just about digital money. It is a way to record trust, ownership, and agreements without one central controller. By 2027, sources suggest blockchain could secure identities, track supply chains, and manage digital assets across borders with fewer middle steps. This could reduce fraud, increase transparency, and shift power away from single authorities, but it also raises new risks and responsibilities for users. Notice the pattern forming: faster networks, smarter machines, connected objects, and new trust systems, all stacking together like building blocks. Each trend alone feels manageable, but together they create momentum that is hard to slow or redirect once fully deployed. Now pause for a second, because we still have not touched immersive worlds, digital biology, or clean energy breakthroughs waiting ahead. Virtual and augmented reality are improving quickly, with lighter headsets and clearer displays, blending digital layers into physical spaces. This could transform learning, training, entertainment, and social connection, making distance feel less important than ever before. Meanwhile, biotech and health technology are using AI to analyze data faster, reportedly speeding research and personalized treatment discovery. Clean technology is also accelerating, with smarter grids, better batteries, and optimized energy systems aiming to meet growing global demand sustainably. All these trends aim to solve real problems, but they also shift power, influence, and opportunity toward those who understand and guide them. So here is the question hanging in the air: who actually controls this future, and who simply reacts when it arrives unannounced? This brings us closer to the deeper mechanism driving everything you just heard, and it will reframe how you see the year 2027 entirely. Before we reach that, remember this: technology does not move randomly. It follows incentives, investments, and human decisions, often invisible to the public eye. And in the next part, we uncover the hidden engine connecting these trends, the risks nobody explains clearly, and the final reveal that ties everything together. This brings us to the most shocking discovery of all, because behind every trend sits one powerful force shaping speed, direction, and impact, and it is not just technology itself. According to analysts, data is the real fuel, collected, refined, and traded at massive scale, turning human behavior into predictions, decisions, and automated actions worldwide. Every click, step, search, and movement feeds models that learn patterns, anticipate needs, and influence outcomes, often without direct permission or awareness. This means the future is not only built by engineers, but by the data we create daily, shaping systems that learn who we are and what we might do next. When AI, networks, and sensors merge, they form feedback loops, where predictions guide actions, and actions generate new data, tightening control and efficiency. This is powerful, but also fragile, because small biases or errors can scale fast, affecting millions before humans notice something went wrong. Experts reportedly warn that transparency and oversight must grow as fast as capability, or trust could collapse under hidden decisions. Here is the largest twist. The same systems that centralize power can also decentralize it, depending on how societies choose to deploy rules and access. Open models, shared standards, and public accountability could spread benefits widely, while closed systems could concentrate influence among few players. This choice is happening now, not in 2027, through policies, investments, and design decisions made quietly today. So what does all this mean for us today, especially for viewers across the US, UK, and Europe watching this unfold? In the short term, daily life becomes smoother, faster, and more automated, from travel to work to entertainment, reducing friction but increasing dependence. In the long term, skills matter more than titles, adaptability beats routine, and understanding systems becomes as important as using them. Those who learn how AI works, even at a basic level, gain leverage, while those who ignore it risk being shaped by tools they do not understand. This is not about fear, but awareness, because informed users can demand better design, fair rules, and responsible deployment. Small choices like privacy settings, learning new skills, or supporting transparent platforms can ripple outward in unexpected ways. But wait, there is one more layer most people overlook, and it changes how you should view every trend we discussed. Technology does not replace humanity, it amplifies it, scaling intentions, values, and mistakes at unprecedented speed. If systems are trained on care, fairness, and accuracy, they spread those traits. But if trained on shortcuts, they magnify those instead. That means the future is not fixed. It is responsive, shaped continuously by feedback between humans and machines. Before we wrap up, there's one final thing you need to know. 2027 will not arrive with an announcement or countdown. It will arrive quietly, feature by feature, update by update, until one day you realize life feels fundamentally different. And when that moment comes, the people who paid attention early will feel prepared, not surprised or overwhelmed. This brings us back to the opening shock. AI learning faster than humans, because speed alone is not the threat. Direction is. The real question is not what technology can do, but what we choose to do with it together. If this opened your eyes, remember this story is still being written, and you are part of the author list, whether you like it or not. The next video will dive deeper into one trend shaping everything else, revealing practical ways to stay ahead without hype or fear. Here's a quick recap. AI is accelerating. Networks are connecting machines. Data is the fuel, and human choices steer the outcome. These trends can empower creativity, efficiency, and solutions, or deepen control and inequality, depending on awareness and action. So stay curious, stay informed, and stay involved, because the future rewards those who engage early and think critically. If you enjoyed this breakdown, tap like to support the channel, and subscribe for more clear, honest tech stories without noise. Share this video with someone curious about the future, and comment below which tech trend excites or worries you the most, and why. Like, subscribe, share,